حسين وزير الخارجية لجمهورية بنغلاديش الشعبية.
Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Honorable Amir of Qatar, Majesties, Highnesses, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Let me begin by expressing on behalf of the people and the government of Bangladesh our deepest solidarity with the brotherly state of Qatar and its resilient people. We condemn in the strongest possible terms the unprovoked and unjustifiable Israeli attack on the sovereign territory of Qatar. This attack is not merely an assault on Qatar. It's an affront to the dignity of the entire Muslim Ummah, a brazen violation of international law, and a dangerous threat to regional and global peace and security. Bangladesh views this aggression as part of a disturbing pattern of reckless adventurism by Israel, which continues to disregard the UN Charter, international humanitarian law, and repeated resolutions of the United Nations. The attack on Qatar is not an isolated incident. It's a continuation of the complete disregard of Israel of international law, of decades of occupation, illegal settlement expansion, targeted assassinations, and indiscriminate bombings that have claimed the lives of countless innocent civilians in Palestine and elsewhere. Today, the Islamic world must send a clear, united, and unambiguous message. Enough is enough. Aggression against one of us is aggression against all of us. We must collectively hold Israel accountable for the naked act of aggression and demand an immediate cessation of such illegal activities. Bangladesh calls for a coordinated diplomatic, political, and if necessary, economic measures by all OIC member states to deter further Israeli provocations. This is a moment of truth for the Muslim Ummah. If we remain divided, we embolden those who seek to undermine our sovereignty and trample upon the rights of our peoples. If we stand united, we can compel the aggressor to respect international norms and ensure justice for the victims. Bangladesh also underscores the urgency of addressing the root cause of this crisis, the unresolved question of Palestine. We reaffirm our steadfast support for the establishment of an independent, viable, and sovereign state of Palestine with East Jerusalem as its capital, based on the pre-1967 borders. Excellencies, this summit must not end with words alone.